Hey guys, we had two killer runners today. I'm probably a little jacked up from some coffee. If you're really bored and you really enjoy coffee, look up Nook, N-O-O-K Bakery in Philadelphia. Met this couple in Ireland over a wedding. I ordered their coffee because that's actually how the people met that was getting wed in Ireland. So try it out. It's really good. I'll post a link in the description. But yeah, MGOL. Early and pre, killer, right here. Kept just grinding up, good deals. Got one more pop it there after a while. It did take a while for this. Is a big fight. Look at this. 30 million first candle and didn't go anywhere. So that's definitely somebody selling off this stuff. And then it did grind up for this one move. I don't plan on all the moves that are going to go. They just have to keep reproving themselves. So right here, easily ascending wedge. Easy little wave right here. If you can get a little lower, you can start just trading candles only. If you start trading candles here, here's an inverted or a hammer candle. Tweezer bottoms. I got this move too right here, right before the open. And then once that big stack comes in, I just sit there and wait for it to sit there. So this is your retracement right here. You're sitting there, that's the part it's trying to break, but it usually doesn't break on the first or second try, and then that third, it does. So you definitely want to start waiting, be a little more patient. I am talking super fast, so yeah, right here, Zap's still forming up. So Zap, basically almost very little shares before this, and then it just ran up once the market opened. It proved itself over the pre-market high. If you're a little more keen, you probably could have gotten this 197 entry. I missed that entry. I actually got in this late entry right here. Basically, I'm always waiting for a pullback if it's running away from me. So I waited for that pullback, touched the pullback. That's almost confirmation of a pullback for me if it touches where it left. And then it starts to run up. Right here, you still see that 321 area that I drew right here. I got this pop. Did not get this. But yes, it's just sitting here waiting to go again. So these are all good 15, 30 cent moves. Hope you grab some. This is exactly what follows one of my trading strategies. This one and this one. So I like those. Just being a little patient. Like seeing this sucker break down before it goes back up a little bit. Just be a little patient. Let the stock prove itself. We had GRDI in the pre. We had some of these moves right here. Then it started getting choppy with algos and then downtrending. And it was getting pretty sketchy at the top right here. So if you're looking at anything and it's already tried once, twice, 3 times, it started failing. And then the other stocks started coming out as well to grab some attention from it. And then look, it's just downtrending, lower lows, lower highs. Check Rally. I think it had a run at the open. Let's see how you would have played that better. So these are fibs from the previous day. Yep, right here. So when you have a stock breaking down after a big key play, it is almost the exact same play it did the other day at the 54 cent level. So we're going to see it just play back up, played back up in after hours, broke that, and then at the open it tried one more time with a lot of set of shares. People are probably happy if they bought too low or they're just getting out. But if you just start doing these retrends, and see when the stock's regaining some energy, even though you see all these indicators down here going a little bit of ups. Once you have these 2 trend lines right here, and then you can see confirm, you see it's fully downtrending until it starts showing you up. So if you want to see the up on this, there's 2 ways to look at it for me. I'm going to take this one right here, and then if it does re-break that right before the open, and then look, perfect target 2 every time. So I would like y'all have a great day. And get yourself some coffee from Nook Bakery if you want. If no big deal. Here's a 3 easy run up here on a downfall. You'll see it regain energy just a little bit. I don't sit there for too long on these because it still is. Just like we said, here's your 2 trend lines, and then I extend it right here. And then this would be the trade. So this is 3 run ups right from here. Right here, 1, 2, right there. There's the third one to target 2. Even on a downtrend. So the reason I can trade long is I can even trade on a downtrend. Here's the VWAP break. You could have had that. So we'll just say lower lows, lower highs. Right here, this is where it ended. Continuing, look, buyers are willing to pay more. And then exactly here. So just let a stock kind of bottom out and see if it can gain some interest. That's always good. Going to double check one that's kind of bumming out on some money right here. All right, well, I don't trade this one. 71 million shares. Now I'm going to let it go. But Zap right here, that's that same area. Right here, that 321 area. That's that area. I'm taking a couple. That scalp, like I said, I missed this scalp. Should have grabbed this one. But look, it just keeps proving itself. So you can just take careful little maneuvers all the time. And then if it can really break that, then you probably have some shorts a little bit trapped. Otherwise, this is a slow grind. Let's check the 5-minute real quick, and then we're going to get off. Yeah, even the 5-minute looked like it regained a little bit. All these flat tops right here. See, I couldn't trade that right there. I couldn't make 1 penny on that sucker except right here when it's breaking out, and that's probably the better breakout. All signs still look kind of good, but it is grinding on MACD red. And right here, and it's just side to side. So right here, probably going to be a quick head and shoulders right here and then go down. Head and shoulders are usually at a slant. They're not perfect. You'll see the increased volume in the middle. This is the buyers trying one more time if they can get it to go. And if they can't get it to go, it's going to go down. So if I were going to take this 263, I'd probably drag it up to the 346 area right here and see if it can continue, because that means they would be a little bit trapped and it should ball out right there shortly, okay? Hey, y'all have a good day. Thank you so much. If you're smart, you could have got this maneuver or this maneuver at the 321, but that 346 possibly to come.